credibility in the examination body. Earlier today, Education Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiangi disbanded the board of the Kenya National Examinations Council. Former Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi, Professor George Magoha, has been appointed to serve as an interim chairman of the board.
His Excellency the President directed my colleague, the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and Coordination of National Government, General Kaiseri, and myself, to look into this matter and ensure that we mitigate the challenges at the Kenya National Examination Council, restore the integrity of the systems out there, and ensure that the organization is credible. We have spent quite some time and looked at several reports. We have received information from a wide range of sources, and I don't think it's fair for us to disclose those now.
Those people who are involved will have to be arrested immediately to record statements so that we start on a new chapter, so that we can give the new board the opportunity to begin afresh, so that the future of our national examinations are credible. And so the following people will be, if they have not yet been arrested, they should immediately report police station if they have not been arrested by now. And these are the following: Dr. Joseph Kivilu, Chief Executive; Ms. Ambia Noor, Senior Deputy Secretary, Examination; Mr. Maondu Matenzama Mandezawa, Deputy Secretary; Mr. Thomas Mackenzie, Principal Examination Secretary; Ms. Sarah Majani, Senior Deputy Secretary, Reprographics; Mr. Bobby Nyaga Mwai, Senior Deputy Secretary; Mr. Geoffrey Gitoko, Senior Deputy Secretary; Mr. Michael Ndua, Principal Supply Chain Management Officer; Mr. Richard Mwangangi, Deputy Secretary. These people are very, very much involved in what had happened in last year's examination.